American Papa here, back on the main strip in Boracay. You notice no trikes here. They have all these electric bikes. I like it better. It's a little quieter. I think the typhoon passed us. You want to see a little typhoon experience? That was in my last video. Pretty awesome. Say hi to Jen. She's walking ahead of me. Rice store. Check out all the rice. Because rice is life. Don't forget. Little cantina. Little vegetable market. Jen's favorite, pawn shops. She loves her gold. Representing. Got the LA gear. Represent. Representing the gear. That's right. Little local place. We got Andoc's famous lechon. Little fruit store. Like everywhere, we got our 7-Eleven all over the planet. Little bakery. Jinjin's got to taste the bakery. Check out the bakery. Wow. Chicken bakery. This is the main road, but you have a lot of roads like this with a bunch of shops, and it goes right to the beach. Hotel on the main road. Hey Corey, I found your bike. See you do a side 360 with this. Hello, Mom.
Relaxing massage.
Look at that's cool. All these little games. Sunglasses. Want to play some chess? Nice bar. Downtown Boracay. Little lake here. Eating some Mexican food in Boracay. Nachos, burritos, salsa, and stuff like that. Just have a bulalo. These are nachos are amazing,
Yes.
and I'm about ready to tear into this. Thanks again for all your support and for watching. Another cool area. Whoa, what did I get myself into there?